Hi everyone. Last month Patreon voted for the healing spell, and that's what we'll be creating this month from scratch. So the first two tutorials will be in Houdini. We're going to learn how to create this spiral mesh and the cylinder as well. It will include the vertex color and some UVs. So you can basically use those meshes in your project, and basically you can just learn a little bit more about Houdini. So that's the spiral. As you can see, it starts from here and then it goes around the character, and we're gonna learn a couple techniques in Unreal Engine how to achieve that look. It's a bit different spell than what we usually create on Patreon, but hopefully there'll be something a little bit different for you to learn. And also I just went to Unity and recreated that effect for my Unity audience as well. So both of those tutorials will be starting from scratch and will be available on Patreon. Houdini tutorials will be available free on YouTube if you want to learn more about the meshes creation in Houdini for real-time VFX. Right, so I hope you're going to enjoy this one, and thank you for your support.